Hi, boys and girls. This is Mr. Bray, your technology teacher. I'm going to go over how to navigate your Google Classroom. So, for students in kindergarten, first and second grade, you all will have a similar Google Classroom experience. All specialist teachers are located in the same specialist classroom. As you see on the board right now, this student is in Mrs. Dixon's first grade class, and then this student has a specialist section. If you click on specialists, this is not just Mrs. McNulty, this is all of the specialists at McDonald. So you will click on specialists and then you will click on classwork. After you click on classwork, you will see all of your different specialists. You'll see music, technology, art, library, health, and phys ed. If you select any one of these, it will take you to where you need to go. For example, in my class, we were working on IXL skip counting. So when you clicked on Mr. Bray Technology, it takes you there. Now, if you need to start from scratch, you want to use these three lines over here. This is your main menu. Okay, and then you can click on classes, and that brings you back to your main screen. So you can get to Mrs. Dixon's work, or you can get to the specialist work. Again, Mrs. McNulty is the one who made the specialist classroom, but all of the specialists are located in the specialists class. All you need to do is click on specialists and then click on classwork. Once in classwork, you can see all of the different specialists. Now, a lot of people were kind of confused with this, so I want to make this video so you guys can see how to more easily navigate your Google Classrooms. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me in class or via email. Thank you.